Hi everyone, and welcome back to another instructional video from Forest River, Salem and Wildwood Divisions, and I'm the Warranty Administrator for Wildwood, Sean Fitzsimmons. Today we're going to be talking about furnaces. On your thermostat there should be three modes: fan, cool, and furnace. To turn the thermostat on, press the on-off mode button. From there, press the mode button until you get to furnace setting, and then use the plus and minus or up and down buttons to set your temperature. It can take up to 30 seconds for the setting to be sent from the thermostat to the brain of the furnace, and then it will begin heating. You can also change the fan speed by using the mode button to go into the fan setting. We suggest leaving the fan on auto, but you can set it to high or low as well. Please note, if the fan speed is set to auto, the fan will turn on the AC when the furnace turns on. This is intentional as it helps circulate the warm air produced by the furnace. The compressor on the AC will not turn on, only the fan. For furnace maintenance, the exterior vents should be blown out seasonally to remove debris and ensure proper airflow. Nothing should ever be set in front of a vent which would restrict airflow and cause issues with the furnace. The first couple of times the furnace is used, you may notice an odor, and this is normally attributed to the oils used in the processing of the metal burning off and should go away over the course of time. If it persists, please see your local Forest River dealer.